Welcome to Quick Hub. In this video, we'll show you how to purchase and activate add-ons, including SMS, email, and WhatsApp, to enhance your communication capabilities inside Quick Hub. Start by opening Quick Hub and go to the dashboard page. Click on your profile icon, then select Subscription from the drop-down menu. Inside the Subscription section, click on the Add-Ons tab to view all available options. Click on the SMS Add-On button. Select Add-on SMS, then click Pay to proceed with the purchase. Once payment is complete, verify that the SMS add-on is successfully activated. Now, click on the Email Add-on button. Select Add-on Email, then click Pay and confirm your transaction. After payment, check that the email add-on is active and ready to use. Finally, click on the WhatsApp Add-on button. Choose Add-on WhatsApp, then click Pay, followed by Pay Now to finalize your purchase. Once the transaction is complete, confirm that the WhatsApp add-on has been successfully added to your account. And that's it. You've successfully purchased and activated add-ons for SMS, email, and WhatsApp in Quick Hub. These add-ons help you communicate seamlessly across all customer channels. Stay tuned for more Quick Hub tutorials to help you get the most out of every feature.